Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall TeamViewer. So let's begin the video. To uninstall TeamViewer, click on the search and type Control Panel. Now under Programs, click on Uninstall a Program. Scroll down and find TeamViewer in the list. Once you found it, click on it and then right click on it, then click on Uninstall. Confirm the action, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So that's it, TeamViewer will completely removed from your PC. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.